Welcome back to Facebook monetization, and in this video we are going to be discussing the kinds of Facebook memberships, products, and masterminds that you can actually create so that you'll have a sense for what it is you're going to be able to do. Now, the truth of it is that you can administer a Facebook community by allowing your members to pay on a monthly basis. This is a recurring membership. This is probably the best of all worlds when you find that you have a membership that's really going to support people paying on a monthly basis. You've gotten proof that people are buying magazines. You've gotten proof that it's something that people are searching for, that it's something that people have been interested in over the last 12 months. And this is always going to work best when you can hand the administration of the site over to someone and you have enough members to justify their payment. You want somebody to take care of when somebody actually pays and they have to enter the membership. You want to have someone else do that. When you want to have someone else handle the support requests, which we're going to be talking about here in another video. You're also going to want to have someone handle taking care of the members when the payment ceases. So in other words, someone stops paying, you want to make sure that they're removed from the Facebook group. And so again, these are all very easy things to do, and that's why you can get someone that you can outsource to. You probably don't have to pay a large salary to. In most cases, you can probably even have someone in college or even someone in high school administer this membership. And really, one of the reasons why you want to do this on a recurring monthly basis is so that when you have someone who is maintaining this aspect of your membership, you can then move on to another niche. I mean, your job is really going to be to understand the niche, to get the content created, to get it integrated into the membership, and then to have someone else do the day-to-day maintenance of the membership. You can deliver a product inside of the membership, but you want to at minimum have a support desk. So maybe you don't want to have this thing, you don't want to have it manned on an everyday basis. You're not necessarily going to be involved in the discussions. They are going to be taking place, but when you deliver a product, you do still want to have a support desk that people can get a hold of you in order to discuss anything that they might be having trouble with respect to the course. Now, when you do that and you collect a one-time fee for the membership or the mastermind, you are responsible to deliver the product. You don't have to be there as much as you would on an ongoing paid membership. The memberships are not going to require you or expect you to be there. You may also want to administer a group coaching program through live webinars. Now, this doesn't mean that this actually means that you don't have to have videos ready. Your content is going to be the live webinars and live meetings. You want to consider using a webinar system like GoToWebinar. That will allow you to allow your members to talk back to you. Webinar Fusion Pro will allow you to archive instantly to YouTube and post to your Facebook group. So both of these are good options. Now, when you get the Webinar Fusion Pro video, what you can do is you can download that video from YouTube and then re-upload it to Facebook, because again, if you put it inside of inside of YouTube, you do run the risk of having it shared. The best way to keep that video from being shared, to keep it private for your members, is to make sure that it is uploaded to Facebook. And of course, you will already have the archived copy of it because it would have been the copy that you would have uploaded to Facebook. So you can have a recurring membership, you can have a coaching program, or you can deliver a product. The most important thing for you to determine is how you're going to administer it. So if you're going to have a one-off program, you're not going to be there, you want to make sure at the very minimum you have a support desk. If you're going to be there all the time, you can have a membership, but you still want to have someone do the day-to-day activity. And then you can do a live meeting or a webinar membership where you're going to be doing a group coaching where your interaction is going to take place on the actual calls, and then the replays are going to be what you're going to be placed inside of the membership. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.